Hi everyone, my name is Rosa Magnus and I am the Foundation Manager with Western Wisconsin Health. I am pleased to announce that we will begin our annual employee giving program that will take place from September 13th through September 24th. We can provide and do more for our community, patients, and each other because of your generosity and dedication. So I hope you'll take this time to learn a little bit more about our programs that we'll be focusing on for 2021-2022. Thank you so much. The programs that we're focusing on this year were selected by staff members. So we're very excited to announce that access to services for those in need is one of the programs. During the pandemic, a need has been identified by our staff members for patients that may not have insurance coverage but desperately need to have COVID testing and other medical attention for their loved ones. We want to assist these families when a need arises to allow for treatment and to remove any barriers. The Social Services Fund is used by our social workers. This fund assists patients with health and safety related purchases. When a patient's inability to afford the item or service places them at risk for further illness, lack of access to care, or prevents them from planning a safe discharge, social services will assess the needs and determine next steps, which sometimes includes use of these funds. Examples may include medication for uninsured patients, gas cards, and in some cases, medical supplies. The community trail outdoor exercise equipment will also be one of our focuses. Our WWH Community Trail has been a great addition with benches, trail markers, and a map holder being added this past year. We would now like to expand the trail with a community outdoor exercise rig that would be just behind the fitness center. The trails allow for our community to have safe, walkable trails close to home to walk, snowshoe, bike, cross-country, run, and ski. With this addition, we will be able to incorporate some exercise with the walking and running. Don't forget Spooky Shuffles on October 15th. Our Cancer Center Healing Garden Phase 2 is another focus. Our Cancer Center Healing Garden is thriving, but now we would like to make sure patients can truly enjoy seeing the garden during their chemotherapy and infusion. If we can add an arbor to the garden for shade, the window film can be taken off for all patients to enjoy and have some serenity. The General Unrestricted Fund is used to the discretion of the WWH Foundation and leadership. These funds are used for the purpose of programming and other needs deemed as emergent or necessary to further our commitment to our community, patients, staff, and mission. Now that you've learned a little bit about the programs that we're focusing on for the next year, I hope you'll take some time to fill out a form and plan to give. Attached in this email is the form to fill out, and we just need to receive that back to myself, Rosa, or you can bring it up to administration. There's a number of ways to give through a one-time donation with cash or a check being made out to WWH Foundation. You can do an online donation at www.health.org/contribute, or you can do a one-year payroll deduction, and that would go from October 15th through September 30th of 2022. That's 25 payrolls. Your gift is tax deductible. You will receive an email confirmation the first week of October, and a tax letter will be sent in January. A couple of notes. Be sure to turn in by September 24th for your chance to win a $250 Amazon gift card. And please remember that although this is a campaign over the next 2 weeks, there is no deadline for giving. So we hope that you'll take the time and consider giving back to WWH. Thank you so much for letting me be part of your day and hearing about the programs that we're going to focus on for the next year with employee giving. We're so appreciative of everything that you've done, especially in these times. We're so grateful to all of you for the work that you do for our patients in our community. And we hope that we can continue to offer programs such as the ones that I've discussed for years to come. And they're all made possible because of the support that you give. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out.